As we grow, we know.
So hi guys, today we got an iPad stuck in the Apple boot logo as usual, and a lot of you may see that coming up. So what you gotta do is get that Apple logo, press this home button here, and what you'll see is my muscles. What you'll see is that it'll have that charging module. What you have here is this little symbol will come up when you press the on button, and you're probably getting that logo as well. If you see that, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to plug it into the main socket, but remember, use an official iPad charger socket, fast charger. Any other duplicate or any other system made a generic version of the charger socket is not going to charge your Apple, and then you have experienced problems because their software is not detecting an official iPad charger. So you gotta go have an official iPad charging socket. And a lot of people don't know that, but that really does affect the battery support software that comes with Apple. So we're gonna go, as you said, this one's completely dead. We're gonna go ahead and charge it up. As you see, when you put it into the wall socket and it's charging, you'll see that the Apple logo still comes on and it starts flickering and bickering, but still no response. That means you got a system error fault. Now, what you need to do now, you stick this bad boy, our product, iPad, into DUF mode. So this is what it looks like when it's still charging, but still you're getting no response. When it hits that, you're good to go. Now I'm going to put the phone into DUF mode, click like that. Just go to balance. Of 10 seconds. Now your phone is in DF mode. I'll do it again for you. Hold the home button, hold the power button. Now your phone is in DF mode. You can't do it the other way by holding down the power button first and then the home button. There's two different ways you can do it. But all you want to put this bad boy into DF mode. Okay. Recovery mode.
And insult food. Nasally laugh.
I'm a small devil. I'm a big iHomeEducate. As we grow, we know.